Well, welcome to the start of day 2. And if you missed yesterday, Manzai Teppanyaki, the welcome aboard show, boarding the ship, everything, was a good time. So check that out. But today we are in Celebration Key. Just got the coffee. We're going to grab a quick bite and then we're going to head off to Celebration Key. Here we go.
Cruise goes! Yeah!
I just can't get away from a good time.
Coach Cruise, like, subscribe, share. You know what to do.
All right, everybody. So we got some deli meats, some ham. There's some potatoes under there, some sausage, and what the heck? Rain crab. What are these things called again?
Eggs Benny.
Eggs Benedict. Yeah. Can't believe I forgot that. And right there, everybody, looky there. That's the view out our breakfast window. Look at all the people enjoying the ocean there. Got the sand castle, and behind that you can even see the lagoon, and it's massive. It doesn't look massive from here, but it is massive. So we're gonna go check that out in just a second. Here we go. All right, well, we just gotten off the ship. You see the Venezia behind us there, and on the other side, looky there, we got the Carnival celebration. 2 ships I've been on multiple times, and yeah, so we are headed off to Celebration Key right now. As a matter of fact, we are on the little pier and probably gonna meet up with a couple friends and enjoy the day. Got to figure out whether we're going to the ocean or the lagoon. We'll figure that out in a second. Here we go. You have these little shuttles that you can take that will drive you to the end of the pier if you don't want to walk. But we just ate, so we're gonna burn some calories. And they got these nice little awnings here to give you some shade for your not super long walk. But I would say it's 300 or 400 yards to the end of the pier. We got the ocean over here to our left. Just an absolutely beautiful day. I mean, obviously there are some clouds there, but otherwise sunny, nice. I'd say it's about 82 degrees. Can live with that. How about you? All right, so no luck finding any loungers by the ocean, at least not yet. So we need to find 4. So we're headed by the lagoon. The first stop on the lagoon, no luck. So 2 big ships, Celebration Key, an XL class and a Vista class Venezia, and not many seats to be had. So that's just 2 ships. So it's going to be a little dicey with 3+ ships coming here in the future. Just a heads up. So you see the Calypso Beach. So on this side of the sign is supposed to be ages 13 and over, whereas this side is supposed to be, you know, families, little kids, stuff like that. You do see some little kids. So I don't think there's really anybody enforcing it, but you see the great view here from the ocean. We got our spot right here. Bridget, turn around. You got the wrong. You gave everybody an extra view. There we go. Yeah, we got the front row because we got here late. We just came over from Lagoon. We got about an hour. And we're gonna go take a dip in that water right there. It's a little overcast, so it's not as bright blue as it normally might be if the sun was out, but blue enough for us. We're gonna enjoy it. Here we go. All right, there's that sun starting to come out. And you see when the sun comes out, the water starts to get nice and pretty. There is our Carnival Venezia, and believe it or not, it's blocking the bigger ship, the Carnival Celebration, on the other side. So we're gonna get in the water here. Yeah, beautiful. All right, so here we are in the water, as I said, and it's a little chilly, but it is definitely warmer than what the lagoon is. You see there's the Carnival Venezia behind us. Beautiful ship, and yeah, This is my second time to Celebration Key, Bridget's first time, but it's also my first time in the ocean. So we're both first timers here in the Celebration Key ocean. And I gotta tell you, like I said, when the sun comes out, the water really pops and is really beautiful. You saw a couple shots with the sun partially out, or not, you know, fully illuminating the water, but it still looks pretty. But yeah, even with cloud cover, you can see just how crystal clear the water is. So yeah, when you get to Celebration Key, I think you'll enjoy it just as much. Here we go. All right, leaving Celebration Key. And you know what? We didn't even get our free meal. We're like, it's close enough to dinner time that we're gonna go ahead and skip the free meal here at Celebration Key and get back on the ship and see what's for dinner. So that's what we're doing. And there we got off in the distance. You can see the Carnival celebration now. Right there next to it is our ship, the Carnival Venezia. So we're on our way back. We got 10 minutes to get back to the ship on time. I think we're gonna make it. Bridget gets lost easy. She's small, so I turn around sometimes and I can't see her. Here she comes. Oh, she made it. First impressions of Celebration Key, Bridget.
I liked it way more than I thought I was going to. It's very beautiful. Yeah, it's a very nice stop. The beach is so pretty. It's very pretty.
Very pretty. It is very pretty. I agree with that. Good assessment. Oh, this is my guy, Louis. Louis!
Hey, how's it going?
Good, how are you, man?
All good.
Good
How's
to
it
see
going?
you.
Okay.
That's my girlfriend,
Nice to
Bridget.
meet you. I'm Louis.
Yeah.
Nice to probably meet you.
Nice to see
I interviewed
All good?
Louis.
Yeah. Well, I was the first person you interviewed and picked up in one go.
yeah.
So, yeah. How's it all going?
Good,
You had a good
We're
Christmas?
on the Venezia, so.
Yeah. Have
You
you,
look like
have
you
you been,
lost
Mike?
weight or something.
I
Would you
tried.
like-
Once I met you, I just
You're
thought
like,
I've got to now
damn,
go to the
like,
gym
you're
every
getting all
day.
fit and trim and
I get married in like 50 days. So
I've been seeing some
I'm
pictures.
salad
of
and
you
sit-ups. That's all we got.
Yeah, you're
Where are
looking
you
great.
gonna get
man.
Cheers,
married?
mate. In England. I should have done it on a ship. It would have been a lot cheaper. But
Yeah.
yeah, she said strictly no cruises.
Yeah.
Well, there we
now
go.
she's part of the
Yeah,
the
she's
fleet,
part of
right?
the cast,
Yeah.
so she sings in the shows.
Of this one. of
She's not on here
Celebration.
now at the moment. She just got home,
Okay.
but she'll be back here soon.
That's awesome.
So yeah, very cool. We get to cruise together,
Mazel
and it
tov.
works. Yeah.
Cheers.
Absolutely.
Have you got Mike on a video yet?
I mean, I interviewed him once. I haven't even
Yeah,
really
yeah.
talked to him.
Yeah, it's
Yesterday
the
was our
second
first
day, isn't it? Yeah.
So,
I went on there today for lunch.
okay,
Yeah,
cool.
I had the ice cream. I had to.
Very good.
Well,
Yeah.
I'll see the next video you put
absolutely.
out. Nice
Good
one.
to talk to you, man.
Happy New Year, guys.
All right, take care.
Can't look mad.
Could you be in a video or no? Express menu is like. Here we go. This is it right here. Doesn't look bad. We can make this work.
I have one
There we go.
before the wedding.
I'm gonna go with the crab and shrimp cake. Also the Caesar salad. I'm gonna do 2 entrees. I want to do the swordfish and the beef Wellington medium rare. And then for dessert, I'm gonna go with the key lime pie. Thank you. See what happens.
Oh, you got it all the way across. Times 3. Come on. Yes. Come on. That's big. That's big. 1,800 times 3. That's big. That's a big. That's a big.
Oh boy.
Watch that shit grow. Times 3. That's quarters. That's 4,500. That's like 1,000 bucks. Like 1,200 bucks.
I'll take it.
So we say Buffalo. You got that. That was a nice last spin. I think that's like 1,200 bucks. Let's see. I think like that. Let's see. 4,500 divided by 3. Nice. Yeah, it's a nice one. At least 100. Might be a little bit, but I'm doing Puerto Rican math. More. Let's go.
Yeah, keep going.
You got it all. Yeah, 2,500. You got it all back. I'm your good luck charm. $14.95.
Yeah.
That shit.
Hell yeah. Let's go.
We have 300 to start.
Let's fill up those boxes. Got another mini bonus.
Another 200. Already up to like 5 and change.
Hell yeah.
600. That's 700.
There we go. Let's fill up these boxes. Come on, get another box. Get those 3 free spins. That still's good. Too many bonuses.
Maybe like 700.
Let's go. Look at that. We got, boom, right there, 500. And we're just starting. Don't call it a comeback. I've been here for years. Man, there we go. Keep those boxes filled. There we go. One more. And another box. There we go. Come on, get another box. No, you gotta get one more. Come on. Hey, there we go. 3 more. 3 more boxes. Let's go. Come on, make it exciting, make it exciting. Make it exciting, come on. Ah, that's all right, that's still good. That's a good one. Alright, so this one we're in Dragon Link. We're in for 250. So we gotta win at least 200 just to be even. Let's see what we get. There we go. There's 100 right there. Fill a box. There we go. Beautiful. Couple more boxes. Let's go. Couple more boxes. There you go. Any box will do. I have never filled all of the boxes. Never ever. This could be the first time. Can we do it? Can we do it? We got 3 tries here to get 2 boxes. We get one of these boxes. Okay, we got 3 tries to fill this last box. 3 tries. This will be my first time ever filling all of them. And the grand jackpot is 10,000. We get this box right here. You got 2 more tries. Come on, one time. Come on, this is the last try. We're gonna win this grand jackpot. Here we go. Damn. I'm gonna do it one day. Definitely got back over even. Well, I thought we did. Maybe we didn't. We needed to be at 250, so we'll see where we're at. Okay, here we go. I was down to my last $3. Look at that. I was down to my last $3. And we hit the thing. We hit the damn thing. Let's go. Let's fill some boxes. Oh, beautiful. Let's fill a box. Beautiful. Let's fill another box. Let's fill another box. Oh, minor bonus. No. 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 Tell me that's true. But tell it to me. Wait, minor bonus 1250? Is that? No. Oh my God! If that's true, I'm so happy right now. Oh my God! And we only need 2 more boxes. Oh, get another box. Do it. Do it. Do it. Come on, get one more box. Let's make this exciting. That's okay. If this is what it says it is, that's insane. That's insanity if that's what it says it is. Dude, I think I won $12.50. Oh my God, I did. Oh my God. Oh, I'm out. I'm out on this one. Yeah, I did. Oh, hell yeah. We're just going to let that... We're just going to let that run up there. Hell yeah. And look, this is what I was down to. Are you good? Dude, I was down to my last $3. Nice. When I hit that thing. Hell yeah.